L'Oreal Paris Makeup True Match Lumi Glotion, Natural Glow Enhancer, Illuminator Highlighter, Bronzing Drops for a Sun-Kissed Glow, 903 Medium. Glow Enhancing Makeup, instantly hydrate and luminize your skin for an all-over, natural glow with Lumi Glotion. This liquid face and body highlighter delivers an illuminating color tint to enhance your skin's natural glow. Hydrating Makeup Highlighter, our glow lotion is infused with glycerin and shea butter for all-day hydration. Available in 4 shades for all skin tones, the glow drops can be worn alone, under foundation, or on target areas for a more luminous effect. Liquid highlighter to glow. Use Lumi Glotion Illuminator to get a healthy, sun-kissed glow with no sun. Try our complete line of bronzing drops, bronzers, luminizers, glow-enhancing lotions. Because you're worth it, create the look you want with our full line of makeup including foundations, concealers, highlighter makeup, brow pencils, eyeshadow palettes, lipsticks and much more. L'Oreal Paris Beauty, a leading total beauty care company based in Paris. We offer innovative products and unique expertise from beauty experts in makeup, skincare, hair care, styling and hair color. Whether you're a minimalist or a makeup enthusiast, this product adapts to your needs, proving that glowing skin is always in style. Ready to shine? Try L'Oreal Paris Makeup True Match Lumi Glotion, Natural Glow.